Hello, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate anyone who takes the time to, watch this video, click on my links, and then just sit and converse and commune with me about my observations from working with coaches, accountants, therapists, photographers, and consultants for the last 4.5 years. So today's video is going to be talking about why you should do less and get more. Okay, this might be a very appealing topic because everybody wants to do less. At least that's what I believe. That's not necessarily true. Some people like to feel busy, right? I've observed a lot of consultants, a lot of coaches who are like, I need to do a million different things. Whether it's Facebook ads, LinkedIn posts, Facebook posts. I need to write a blog. I need to have a new website. I need to have a new webinar, something new every couple of minutes, right? But you notice that the only thing they really accomplish at the end of the day is that they get tired. I don't really want that to be you, okay? Part of having the freedom of your own business is to be able to control your energy output, right? If you're working a job, you're on someone else's schedule and someone else's time frame. So they're like, I need you to hit this deadline. I need you to go do a certain amount of work by Tuesday. Can you stay the weekend? Part of the reason why we, created our business was to be able to say, if I don't want to work Monday morning at 7 p.m. or 7 a.m., I don't have to. I can just start my day at 8 a.m. I can start my day at 9 a.m. Maybe I only want to work from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and then take a little hour-long break, come back 11 a.m. to noon. I want to have the choice. But if you're constantly doing 5 or 7 or 8 different things that you're having to monitor and be so manual, it's really going to start to kind of pull and subtract from your life. Now, how do you get away from this? Okay, you have to identify the key drivers of success in your business. For accountants and coaches, that tends to be consultation calls, right? So the goal isn't how to do as many things as possible. It's how to generate the most consultation calls possible. Now, there are passive methods of doing so. There are active methods of doing this. So a passive method would be to set up a webinar and then have at the end of the webinar have a link for people to go and sign up for a consultation call. The passive part is being able to get people to the webinar and actually have people watch through the webinar to the end. An active version of generating consultation would be you have to go talk to the market and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk until the person is ready to hop on a consultation call with you. For me, I like the passive method because I can just start stacking these passive consultation methods. For example, you can work with a JV partner. JV just means a joint venture where you partner with someone who has a very nice size audience of people who are interested in the same industry or aspect of whatever you do. And then you put your message in front of that person's audience and they come and flow to you and you get passive people coming, right? Another form would be to make videos like these, have people flow through into whatever your sales process is, and then generate consultations calls like that. Another passive way would be to get advertising. Now notice how I've only said 3 things, okay? The key thing that's important here is timing. I would only work on one passive method at a time until I really was able to get it working. The trap here is that you're not going to feel busy. That is the thing that harms a lot of people. It's when you're moving in the right direction, you're going to have a lot of time and a lot of peace and a lot of time to reflect. But if you're new or if you get anxious, you're going to want to fill it up with 5 or 7 things. So again, you can start to feel busy. Okay? The key here is to take that little step back. Remember, I'm not trying to be busy. I'm trying to be effective. I might have 3 to 5 hours of free time during the day as a result of this. But I know that based on my strategy, this is going to pay off in a couple days or a couple weeks. Okay? So that's why I always recommend doing less to get more. If you want to start, joining and creating a tradition for yourself where you're in control of your life, you're able to go where you want, when you want, with who you want, and where you want. I recommend you take the first steps by joining my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we give you everything that you need, all the strategies, formulas, flowcharts, training, interviews. that allow you to be able to move towards your goals and your dreams of the reasons why you started your business, which I hope was to get a better life. If that's you and you want to get these strategies, I recommend you go click the link in the description to go check out the group, see what we're all about. There's also going to be a link in the comment section below for the same thing so you can get into the group. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. See you later. Take it easy. Can't wait to see you soon.